Give me E of X value quickly.
Sir, 2 ne sir.
2 ne banta. Okay.
Also.
Obtain E of X square. E of X square will be integration of X square into F of X. So now what I do is I take the MGF, and from the MGF we'll see how to get the value E of X is equal to 2. MGF Mx of t is expectation of e power tx, and for the continuous case that is integration of e power tx into fx dx. So this reduces to 0 to 1 e power tx 2 by 5x dx plus integration 1 to 3 e power tx 2 by 5 x minus 1 dx. And 2 by 5 is constant, so I could take outside. Now I have the products, integration of px into x. Remember the form when you're talking about the products: logarithmic, inverse, algebra, trigonometry, and exponential. So e has to be written there. So we'll write this as integration of x into e power tx by taking 2 by 5 outside. And in this case, again 2 by 5 will be outside. I'll have integration of x into e power tx minus, when I split the integration, I get this. So when I apply the integration of products, that will be x into integration of e power tx, which is e power tx by t over 0 to 1 minus integration of e power tx into derivative of the first function, which is 1 here, dx, plus 2 by 5 into x into e power tx by t over 1 to 3 minus integration of e power tx by t into derivative of x is 1 with respect to x minus 2 by 5 into integration of e power tx over 1 to 3. Simple function ತಗೊಂಡು ಶುದ್ಧ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Okay. So this becomes 2 by 5. When I put x is equal to 1, I get e power t. And when I put x is equal to 0, I get 0. This reduces to e power t by t. Okay. Minus. So ಮತ್ತೆ integration ಆಗಬೇಕು. Integration ಆಗಿದಾಗ e power t square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is integration of e power tx by t square over 0 to 1. When I put 1, I get e power t. When I put 0, I get 1. Sorry, alva. Minus, when I put x is equal to 1, I get e power t. X is equal to 0, 1, e power t minus 1 by t square. That's the first part. Plus the second integral. So when I put x is equal to 3, I get 3 e power 3t. When I put x is equal to 1, I get e power t divided by t. This is the first part. Minus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು e power tx by tx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. e power tx by t square over 1 to 3. So minus, when I put 3 e power 3t, when I put 1 e power t by t square. This is the second integral value. And the third part will be minus 2 by 5. So integration already ಆಗಿದೆ. E power 3t minus e power t divided by t. Now just simplify this into neat form. I'll get 2 e power t by 5t minus 2 e power t by 5t square plus 2 by 5t square plus 2 3s are 6 e power 3t divided by 5t minus 2 e power t by 5t minus 2 e power 3t by 5t square plus 2 e power t by 5t square minus 2 e power 3t by 5t plus 2 e power t by 5t. So see what all you can cancel. So just get cancels. E power 3t ಆಗಲ್ಲ. E power 2 e power t and 5t square. It cancels. So we will have okay, so these two are common here. And so I can write that as 4 e power 3t by 5t plus 2 e power t by 5t and then I have 2 times of 1 by 5t square minus 2 e power 3t by 5t square. Now, so this is our mx of t. Now, obtaining the first moment from the MGF, mu1 dash is t of derivative of the MGF at t equals 0. So what we do is we have to differentiate this with respect to t. So I'll directly write the derivative. Or what I do is I take the existing form like this only, so that differentiation becomes easy. To only simplify one for the sum. Basically, I'm splitting them back. Okay, so I have to obtain the derivative of 4 e power 3t by 5t plus 2 e power t by 5t plus 2 by 5t square minus 2 e power 3t by 5t square. Okay. Now we have e power 3t 4 by 5 constant, and this t can be written as e power minus 1. So we are talking about differentiation of the product. So derivative of u into v is q into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So this will be 4 by 5 into e power 3t, and derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square plus 1 by t into derivative of e power 3t will be e power 3t into 3. Then you'll have plus 2 by 5 into derivative of e power t into 1 by t is e power t into minus 1 by t square plus 1 by t into e power t plus derivative of 2 by 5 into t power minus 2 will be minus 2 by t cube, and ಕೆಳಗಡೆ t cube ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್
ಹ್ಮ್
ಸರ್ ಇ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ 7/15 ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಇ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 7/15 ಬಂತ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. 7/15 is somewhat like 0.4948 and our range is 0 to 1 and 1 to 3. So somewhat, closer to at least 1 or 1.5 should be the answer.
Sir, E of X 2 ne sir.
Check the steps. Plus steps check ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 / 5t² ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಸುಲಭ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪವರ್ ಹಾಕಬಿಡೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೇ. ಇನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? t square e power 3t into 3. Now put t is equal to 0. Now since you have t in the denominator in almost all the case, don't say that t tends to 0, f of t by t is equal to infinity. You have to look into the limits. What is limit x tends to 0 e power ax by x and x power n in general. So the ಕೆಲವು cases ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವು cases ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. What is the exact form to call it? So I have to recall this limit and give you the form. See what Google says. I think I have missed an e power t here. The terms of a doubt you can check mine. So there the integration was 1 to 3. Bari e power t barbekali. E power t into dx because the function is x minus 1. So we have e power t into that. So 2/5x e power t minus 2/5 e power t. So e power t only carry agleಬೇಕು. Otherwise it goes to infinity. So we have e power t to minus 2/t cube minus e power t by t square. So this goes to 0 when you have a less than n, and it goes to 1 when you have a is greater than n. So it comes to 4/5 10 that is equal to 0. Then 0, 0. This comes to 1. 1 number the 6 by 5. 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, so this takes two values, 0 as well as 1. So again, andre limit apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಎನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಎನ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಎನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು 1, this goes to 0, this goes to 0, this goes to 0, even in the equality case. Again, this goes to 0 completely. This goes to 0, and this goes to 1. So you have 4 by 5 into 1 minus 2 by 5 into minus 3, which comes to 4 by 5 into plus 6 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 into minus 3 will go with that. So this comes to 2, which is equal to our E of x. Okay. So problem is when we have the functions with respect to, like, say, e power x into a linear combination. But if we have the f of x as a function either directly related to exponential form like e power 2x, e power ax, or the logarithmic functions, the integral reduces very quickly and the application of limits is also very easy. So we'll see very simple functions. So if not ತುಂಬಾ complicated ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ mx of t ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ e ಪವರ್ tx ಅಂಡ್ x ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೊಂಚೂರು ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. how it goes to 0, then to derive ಮಾಡಿ for some cases. You can take the help of your internet, Google ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 0 e ಪವರ್ ax by x power n ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so I'll stop the session here. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, probability generating function ಅಂತ, ಅದ್ರ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So PGF, probability generating function, how it generates the probabilities, that I'll let you know in the coming class. So for time being, you just take the definition, expectation of s power x. And since we'll be dealing with a discrete case today, so the summation of x belonging to s power x into px. So ಹೆಂಗೆ e power tx ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು s power x ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x px ಇರುತ್ತೆ, you do s power x and then s power x into px. So s is the variable here, s ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ you get a function in terms of s. Stop here. If you have any doubts, you could ask.
ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ f of x is x square or x power 3, x power 4, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, so when you do integration of e power tx into x cube, multiple times you have to apply the product rule or integration by parts, and then mgf will be, such a large form. t square ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, t cube ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So we try not to give you this, but obtain mgf ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. mgf in the moments obtain ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು for the functions where the complexity exists, but simple functions ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We'll see the mgf for certain functions in chapter 2, which are very easy to derive and which are very easy to differentiate to obtain the moments. ಆ cases ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಆ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕುಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಟ್ ಡಿರೈವಿಂಗ್ ದ MCQ. Okay, so end the class here.